The portrayal of historical figures in Bollywood, like Sambhaji Maharaj in Chhawa and the demonization of Aurangzeb, raises concerns over selective history. Films often glorify Hindu rulers while simplifying Muslim leaders, deepening societal divides and distorting historical truths. The Karnataka government has initiated an inquiry against DGP Ramchandra Rao, father of actress Ranya Rao, arrested for gold smuggling. ACS Gaurav Gupta will investigate his involvement and airport protocol misuse, with a report due within a week. The Bihar government is taking steps to ensure law and order during the upcoming Holi and Ramadan festivals. A high-level meeting reviewed security measures, including monitoring social media and banning inflammatory content, to guarantee peaceful celebrations across the state. A new report reveals that 13 of the top 20 most polluted cities worldwide are in India, with Burnet leading the list. Delhi remains the most polluted capital globally, affecting life expectancy by over 5 years for many Indians. Bihar State Power Transmission Company Limited has received an A+ rating from the Power Finance Corporation. This recognition highlights BSPTCL's strong financial health and operational efficiency, crucial in providing uninterrupted electricity across Bihar, transforming the state's power infrastructure. Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar accelerates job creation, with 19,838 constable positions now available. The recruitment includes reservations for women and home guards. Online applications open 18th March 2025 with salaries ranging from 21,700 to 69,100 rupees. The Special Task Force has successfully thwarted over 16 serious crimes, including 11 murder attempts, from December to February. With increased vigilance and public cooperation, they arrested several notorious criminals, preventing planned robberies and murders across the region. The Indian government has imposed a 5-year ban onto Jammu and Kashmir organizations, the Awami Action Committee and Jammu and Kashmir Ittehadul Muslimin, citing their involvement in terrorism and anti-India propaganda, threatening national security. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inspected the ongoing construction of the Patna Metro Rail project today. He emphasized the need for timely completion to alleviate traffic congestion. The project, spanning 31.9 kilometers with 24 stations, is set to enhance commuting convenience in Patna. Energy Secretary Pankaj Kumar Pal has reviewed revenue collection efforts at Vidyut Bhavan. He stressed the importance of recovering outstanding dues from consumers and government departments while tackling power theft. Officers were instructed to enhance communication with consumers and expedite disconnections for non-payers. India has imposed a 5-year anti-dumping duty of up to $986 per ton on trichloroisocyanuric acid imports from China and Japan. This move aims to protect domestic manufacturers, encourage local production, and boost job creation while adhering to global trade regulations. Jivika has transformed the lives of over 35 lakh rural women in Bihar, helping them achieve self-reliance through agriculture and self-employment. With thousands of self-help groups and loan provisions, women like Lavang, Deepa, and Meera are thriving and contributing to their communities.